in the chaos messiness of my own journey in learning and interest in teacher education and so on. It is this notion of transformative education, where it's not just about finding answers, new answers to the same old questions, but really discovering new questions to ask about teaching, learning, curriculum, and education. So I'd just like to mention that I will be writing or converting this dissertation that I had written for my PhD into a book. And the original title was Gesturing Towards Teaching a Teacher's Narrative. And the title of the book will be Gesturing Towards Teaching a Teacher's Flip Book. And really, it looks at a teacher who attended one of the teacher education workshops that I've done in India, and it looks at what she says and does over 53 seconds, frame by frame. And the invitation in the book to the reader and to all of us is, if we just paid close attention, and her name is Shruti, if we paid close attention to Shruti and her 53-second journey in teaching, learning, and also in terms of what she did, and what she said, then we start with a certain set of questions about education, and we get to ask a transformed set of questions about education. And so it has illustrations, 53 seconds, frame by frame, that will form a flip book that will flip our questions about teaching, learning, curriculum, and education. And Shruti invites us on that journey. So please stay tuned, and that I hope to share with all of you, and I hope that will lead to further investigations and exploration. Thanks.